Hi, good morning, yeah. Okay, Sobika, today आपको क्या खाना? Sorry, what do you want to eat today?
Today I want something high protein bhojanam.
I don't know, nowadays the children they wanted always high protein, high protein, high protein.
Yes.
Okay, what is the protein? You tell me then. I don't know. Tell me what is this?
Rajma.
Okay. See now then we'll make the rajma. This is only high protein.
Plain rajma.
No plain rajma. How you will eat the? You can eat the plain rajma also. But in the North India, rajma chawal very tasty. I love it that one. No delay. We'll do it immediately. Rajma and chawal. Come Sobika, come. Why are you looking like that? Sobika, already I soaked the rajma overnight. Always you have to soak the rajma chana and all overnight. Properly you have to soak it. When you're soaking, that time add the salt also that time itself. Okay, now I'm going to show. This is the rajma actually. Before, before you're soaking, it'll be like this only.
But why do we have to soak overnight?
Because you have to, otherwise it won't cook properly. Half kacha pakka, half it will cooked, half it won't cook only.
So
That
overnight.
is only.
Not I can't keep it for 2-3 hours and cook.
No, 2-3 hours it won't work out. That is not very
Long process.
okay. After soaking, like this it will happen. See
Okay.
this. Okay, like this only it will be. This is a raw and this is a soaked one. Now after cooking, you must see the color and all really very nice. Now what you have to do, this is, see how much water. This is less actually. Now I am going to add the water.
So for 1 cup, how much water should I put in soaking?
1 cup means nearly you have to 5-6 cups you have to take water in
Oh,
this.
okay. Done.
Yeah, okay. After that, next day morning you have to see whether this is enough or not.
Not.
Okay, if no, it's not enough because we are cooking, no, the judgment is there. So always we'll see how much water is there. This maybe you can eat 3 people. Okay,
1 cup
Some-
for 3 people.
1 cup for 3 people, suppose if you are eating 2 cups means what can I do? I can't say that, na. If she's eating 2 cups, even I am having 1 cup, so you have to make more. I can't tell that how much you will eat. So this is 3 persons, it's okay. Now what you have to do, that color will come, this is the mustard oil. 1 teaspoon you have to add the mustard oil. I always add, but no masalas. Actually, they will add masalas and all in the dabas, but I don't like that साबुत मसाला, साबुत मसाला को क्या बोलते इंग्लिश में भूल गई मैं फिर से. Always, this much only turmeric powder. A little only you have to put, okay? That's all, okay? And close it now. We have to cook. Mix it properly with this spoon nicely.
Okay.
Then close the cooker. You have to cook for the 25 minutes. Okay? Come now, I'll show you. Come. First, it will come 3 whistles. Meanwhile, what we are going to do, we cut the onions. I'll show my daughter how to cut. Now, how to cut means she know, yeah. Come on now. Yeah, tell me.
Now I'm chopping the vegetables for you.
Okay, thank you so much. You're telling I will chop.
Don't look. Don't
Yeah,
look.
1
Close
hour.
your eyes.
Why? Anyhow, I have to close my eyes only because of it. What no? When this is very organic onion, so very strong. So I have to be. And I want to tell you what that if you are using 1 cup of rajma, no, you have to see in this it will be maybe 2.5 onion, medium size. This is a medium size, no?
My eyes are watering.
You better move now. I'll cut it. Oh my God. I will do it. Huh? You are going to teach me. I am going to teach you. You tell me that. See, this is अभी ये ऐसे क्यों कर रहे हो? ऐसा कोई नहीं है. ये third वाला है. ये third whistle is very important. Third में 4 भी आए तो कोई no problem at all.
Okay.
Now you have to flame is a medium.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, medium for 25 minutes.
Oh, 25
25 minutes more you have to cook properly.
Okay.
Now come on. Sobika, now we are soaking the basmati rice. How you are taking? Please, yeah, do it properly. No, what are you doing? You Rama. Sure, like this only you have to, okay? 1 glass. Actually, 1 glass rice.
1 glass enough.
I'll eat more rice. Yeah, today is enough actually. I want to show because the measurement is the water. If you are taking 1 glass of rice, 2.5 glass water. That is a measurement. Otherwise, I'll do it like this only. That is also perfectly to work.
Okay.
But for you people, 2.5 glass of water. If you are soaking for 1 hour, good results. Otherwise, like that also we can make it. There is no problem. இப்படியும் சாப்பிடலாம். So there is no problem at all. That's it. Now come, wash properly and don't waste the water also. Understand? Come. Yeah, enough.
Enough?
Close. Yeah, slowly. Hey.
My mom is
Ah.
very strict teacher. This I'll use for my hair.
Yeah, you can use for your hair also for plants. I love.
Rice water.
Yeah, rose, all the rose plants and all. Okay, now you can use this water. I told you, measure it 2.5 glasses. Yeah, pour.
1, 2.
Properly, Sobika, you are more now, little bit more you have to put in the second glass, it's not there. Yeah, put, yes. Sobika, 25 minutes is over. Now
Abbada.
what? Then switch off the gas. Abbada. Abbada. Okay, now you have to cool down. इसको अच्छी तरह cool होना पड़ता है. बर्र बोल के नहीं निकालना, पुस बोल के आ जाएगा वो. Okay, now meanwhile what we are going to do? Come. Now what we are making the tomato puree
Egg
for
milk.
that. Huh?
What sort of tomato is this? One is big, one is small.
What are you cooking
What selection?
then? Hey, this is the Bangalore tomato sweetener, okay? And this is the country tomato. The sourness will be there. And color also, always give the color Bangalore tomato. This is sourness and taste. Always, if you're using together all this thing, the flavor will be very nice. That's all, madam. Okay, now understand? Now what we have to do? We have to cut. You are cutting or me?
I'll cut.
Okay, cut it and put it and we'll make the paste. It like that.
Like this?
Not like that. Arey Baba.
This new type of cutting.
Okay, no problem. If I will learn like that.
Yeah, see this.
Okay, yaar. Now you can grind it. Otherwise.
Okay.
Huh.
I'll grind.
Yeah. Come.
Ready?
Ready. Yeah. Stop. Make it nice paste. Yeah. Show me. Show. Open it and show me that.
I think
Show me
it's paste.
Yeah.
No, little more.
No, yeah, little more. Let me see. Yeah,
There's little chunks.
More. Yeah, little more only. But it's like that also, no problem. Okay. Yeah, 2 rounds nicely. Done. Again, show me properly. Take
Little
it.
chunk is there, ma.
It's there, huh? Doesn't matter the tomato, but anyhow you can
Okay.
take one more. One more round properly, you take it. Keep it one more properly, you will do it. Enough. Come, we'll take the onions. Now ready? We'll make
Inside this?
What inside? Inside not.
Oh.
Close it now. Close it.
Okay.
Yeah. Close the lid. Come now. I'll show you.
Stressing.
Hey, gravy. What is it? You have to take this one also, yaar.
Oh.
What are you doing? Come. Yeah. Now this is the water, Sobika.
Okay.
Always I'll mix with the water only. All the masalas. Masalas means dhania powder, jeera powder, all that. Now you can put the chili powder. Put it in that. Full
How
1
much?
teaspoon. 1 teaspoon. Put it little more. Half. Yeah. Again jeera powder. 1/4 teaspoon. Show me. Yeah. Little less. Hey, what are you doing? Yeah. Now dhania powder 1 spoon. Careful. Put it more. Little more. Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
I'll put full?
Now full you can put it that one. And now you have to mix it properly like this. See. Okay. Yeah, now the kadai is ready. So I'm pouring the water. This is the peanut oil. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, this much is enough. 1 tablespoon, 1.5 tablespoon. Now, especially for the digestion, always use the Hing. Hing in English?
Asotofida, I think.
Esophytodododaba. What? Yeah. I thought you know properly. Then you also esophytododododada. Ah. Now add the onions.
Fully.
Yeah, fully you can.
Your
Careful,
flame is
careful,
looking
careful.
little high.
Okay, I'll make it slow. Yeah, put it. No problem.
If something I get burnt, then no problem.
You want to learn, you want to cook means you have to go through all these things.
No, I
please.
want to cook. I'm gonna cook myself from now.
Yeah, be careful this one. Hmm. One minute, I'll show you. Like
Good job.
this. Okay. Subika, now see, take the lid like this and open the cooker. See,
Okay.
the water and so hot, and after cooking, see how is this.
Oh,
See,
nice.
no, the color also. Then now, like this, you have to mix it little bit. This is you have to make proper golden brown color. You know, some other things not necessary, but especially if you're making the chana and rajma and all, golden brown color, the onions.
Okay.
Next only then we have to add the ginger garlic paste. Keep it the vessel properly and close the lid.
Immediately, I thought let it
No,
boil.
no, 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 no. You keep it. No, I will tell you now. Close it. Yeah. I told you, na, golden brown it has to be. But I always use only medium flame, so it will take little bit longer. If high means everything will burn. In the medium flame, and next close the lid, not fully. Like this you have to.
Okay.
Okay. See, you told me I'm going to watch. What you're watching? See, full everything is spell. Oh God. Again, water will be less. First of all, your calculation itself wrong there. I told you 2.5. You are putting less and less. How it will cook then? Be careful, don't burn it, please. The taste will be horrible then. Now, 1 minute, I'll show you this. Now we are going to ginger garlic paste. Half a teaspoon. Okay. Close it this. Yeah. Consistency like this only. Now add the water. Now masala water. Mix
All of it?
Slowly. Pour it. Yes. See, now mix it. Yes. Again close the lid. Keep it on the sim. Close the lid. Okay. And make it on a sim. Yeah, not fully sim, in the medium flame. Okay. Yes, absolutely right. The oil is releasing. Now only we can add the tomato puree. Okay, now keep it like this. I'll pour it tomato puree. See, okay. Like this. Yeah, mix it. Yeah, now check the water. Open it. क्या कर रहे हो?
Opening. This
Is
little water is there.
It's there, huh?
But it's looking nice. I can eat some.
Hey, how you? Now add the garam masala.
This one?
No. More. Yeah.
This
Yes, put it now. No. Yes. Properly. We are not using any masalas. No garam. No more, Subika. Yes. Yeah, that's all. Okay, now you have to mix it.
one? I'll mix.
Sides, take the masala sides. Mix it like this and pour the rajma. Okay. Yes. Now take it like. If you don't have the cooker also, you can boil like that only, but it will take longer, at least 1.5 hours. In Italy, I used to make, there is no cookers, no? So I used to make the chana and all like that only. See, your rajma is ready, Subika. Now you want to garnish with this one. Chili, I'm not cut it also. I didn't cut the chili. This is a coriander. Like this, you have to put it.
ऐसे without cutting.
हाँ, no problem. वो अच्छी तरह उसमें अरोमा चले जाएगा. Otherwise ज़्यादा spice हो जाएगा ना. So like that you can make it like this.
Looks good.
Good, huh?
hungry
Thank you.
now.
See, like this only. That's it over. Fine.
Super.
Now everybody, you know, all you people can try high protein rajma chawal with my daughter.
You want to watch me making rajma chawal? The full video, go to my mom's YouTube channel.
Okay, thank you, madam. Thank you so much. Sobika, if you want ghee, you can take the ghee. I like with the ghee, okay? Just I'm using a little bit ghee like this, okay?
ठीक है.
Oh. Actually, what I will do, no, I'll cut the green, the chili, I'll put it like this. I love that one only. In the dhaba, they will do like that. Now, you have to pour the rajma. Yeah, you can keep it like this. Okay, now yeah, wow, it's coming. 1 minute. The rajma also like this. Now close.
Yum.
Okay, and put the one chili like this. See, now your rajma, chawal, protein plate is ready. Now you can have it, madam.
It's very hot.
हॉट बोल के पूरे मुंह में डाल का हॉट.
I like hot food. It's really good.
Very tasty. Okay, no problem. Okay. Thank you so much for your this thing. Okay.
Good job, mom.
Oh.